Gigastone SSD SATA 4TB Revue, the budget upgrade that transforms slow laptops instantly.
You know that sinking feeling when your laptop takes forever to boot and every click feels like waiting in slow motion? A colleague told me she'd walk away to make coffee while her computer struggled to life. That daily frustration quietly drains your focus and patience. Your machine shouldn't hold you hostage. It's exhausting. Ever wonder if there's a simple fix that actually works?
Every wasted minute compounds. The stress of watching spinning icons, the mental fog from constant delays, the missed flow when applications freeze mid-task, it all adds up. A designer I know almost gave up freelancing because rendering felt impossible on his old drive. But here's the thing, you don't need a new computer. There's a smarter, faster way forward.
Enter the Gigastone SATA SSD 4TB 2.5-inch drive and everything shifts. Don't just buy any storage upgrade. Make sure it has 3D NAND with SLC cache technology so you never suffer from sluggish boot times and endless loading screens again. The moment you swap out that old hard drive, the difference hits immediately. Your system boots in under 20 seconds, applications open instantly, and games load without that painful wait. A gamer told me he finally installed his entire Steam library on one drive and never looked back. Load times dropped by half, and his whole setup felt new again. This drive delivers read speeds up to 530 megabytes per second, the absolute maximum a SATA 3 connection can handle, with shock resistance and silent operation thanks to 0 moving parts. A creative professional mentioned that editing timelines became smooth and responsive after upgrading from a mechanical drive. The 7mm form factor fits virtually any laptop or desktop, and the 4TB capacity means you're set for years. No more deleting files to make space. And here's the bonus, it works seamlessly with PS4 consoles, mini PCs, and external enclosures. This is the upgrade that changes daily computing. Imagine turning on your laptop and actually being productive within seconds instead of minutes. The Gigastone SATA SSD 4TB makes that real by eliminating the mechanical bottleneck that's been slowing you down for years. One tech reviewer tested it in an aging ThinkPad and said boot time dropped from over a minute to under 15 seconds. It felt like a completely different machine. Users consistently report that their systems feel faster, smoother, and more responsive across the board. The dual-channel 3D NAND architecture handles multitasking effortlessly, whether you're gaming, editing photos, or running virtual machines. The SLC cache intelligently accelerates burst writes, so installing large games or transferring project files happens at blazing speed. A budget PC builder mentioned, "My kid's system boots so fast now and games load without any stuttering. It's been flawless for months." The shock and vibration resistance mean your data stays safe even if your laptop takes a tumble. And because it draws less power than a mechanical drive, your battery lasts noticeably longer on laptops. Do you ever catch yourself wondering if one simple upgrade could fix everything that's frustrating you about your computer? This is that upgrade. Multiple users across forums, reviews, and tech channels confirm the same transformation. The performance speaks for itself, and the 4TB capacity future-proofs your storage needs completely. The Gigastone SATA SSD 4TB isn't just another drive, it's the fix your system has been waiting for. Thousands of users have already made the switch from sluggish hard drives to instant responsiveness, and they're not looking back. Stock availability shifts regularly as demand grows, so if you've been waiting for the right moment, this is it. Your computer deserves to run the way it was meant to. Check the link in the description below and feel the difference speed makes. Your productivity is waiting.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.